Welcome to the world finest web development course. I am Usama and I am thrilled to have you here with me on this exciting learning journey. In this course, we will cover HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and even React Js. Get ready for step-by-step tutorials, interactive coding exercises, quizzes, and a lot more. We will leave no stone unturned as we explore every aspect of web development, from HTML all the way to React. This course is designed to transform you into a professional full-stack web developer. What makes it truly exceptional is that it's entirely project-based. That means you will learn all the essential skills while building real-world websites. We will start by creating a stunning product website using HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. Then we will dive into Node, React, and the Modern stack, allowing you to develop impressive projects. No prior programming experience is necessary for this course. Whether you are a complete beginner or already have some knowledge, I will be there to guide you every step of the way. We will cover everything from fundamental programming concept to intermediate and advanced techniques. Your time is valuable and this course honors that fact. You deserve the best, and that's exactly what you will get here. If you are ready to embark on this coding journey, save this playlist and you have free access to all the courses videos anytime you like. Thank you in advance for joining me on this exciting coding adventure. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video, click on thumbs up button. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.